Welcome back to the channel, Jaden Chase. And if you're new, remember to like, to share, and also to subscribe. Now, if allegations are true, based on Leoda Bradshaw's alleged jealousy, Saraya Palwell will never see another Christmas. Her mother, Miss Patterson, will never see another Christmas. And now when her daughter is about to leave school for Christmas holiday breaks, now she will also be without a mother. Was it worth it? The Deputy Commissioner of Police said even for his team, this case was one of the worst cases that his police team has ever have to work on. These are men that have been in law enforcement for years. And they must say the alleged crimes that Leoda Bradshaw and her cousin are accused of is one of the worst crimes that they have ever had to investigate. People might hear Saraya Palwell, and just because they might hear her name, them forget that she was just 10 months old. Her mother's first and now only child. And both of them now being deceased. One thing for sure though, everybody will hear this. I said justice for Miss Patterson and baby Palwell. I don't know one mother could have seen it fit to even think about this. If she'd even take Miss Patterson's life, she'd have left her daughter for grow up without a mother. So no part of what she'd have think, and even the people them where they did it, them for run her and send her go back and find with her money. Her cousin should be the first person to say, oi, they even bother come to Jamaica, you know, from a them thing they are think, but they even want to see you. The one and our young people told them out to start life. What kind of meds that you hold? To her cousin talk to her, she shouldn't even bother fly in. Him should talk some sense in her brain. I said stay upon the people them submarine and cook the people them food. You have a daughter over there for take care of. And you sign Uncle Sam them contract. And say you're going to be a part of them Navy. What is your fly come on Jamaica come do? Allegedly. And I guess based on the attorney's statements, they want to know what the details of the plea with the other two make. Seeing that one of the other two are the individual allegedly, based on him confession, pull the trigger. And the other one was, some form of accomplice. 3 man organized with one woman from foreign for to take the life of a woman and a young baby. We don't know what that. We don't know how him make hitman call him. We don't know. Anyway, I guess they more have to say these individuals, based on them confession, they acted alone. And Bradshaw and her cousin had nothing to do with it. Seeing that they might have not done the crime themselves. But if allegations are true, and it was their plan, their plot, and the cousin know the man them, and she know the cousin, and the only connection all them have is to she, and the only person who have any connection to Miss Patterson and her daughter is she, being that they both share the same baby father. It don't look good. And when the state pointed out that this took place for 500,000, 5 or 600 US dollar. You have shoes, you have sneakers, you have purse, you have bag, you have belts. There are different articles of clothing in North America and overseas where cost 500 US. It's pocket money. Still can't believe a woman flying and use pocket money to make 3 man throw them life and take the life of 2 people. For pocket change. Crime are wicked. It's also sad. No one also making headlines. I'm going to hear from a mother who is blind and also has some type of hearing condition. And despite that is still trying to make the best for herself and her children. Let me continue hear what I go on and then continue reasoning. Look and listen.
I just God angry, God mercy.
Currently, you're building out your house, right?
And I need some assistance. Because through me kind of live up on the road with me, well, me, as me say, my mother have 4. Them 2 big now, but them 2 are go to school without fathers, and me don't really have much help.
How old are the younger ones?
One is 11 and one is 15.
15.
So
So they live here with you?
yes, but they are going to school, and sometimes like when we do go downtown and we juice them, they like them friend and laugh after them, and so they don't really want to carry me around, you know. So we just have to just depend on God and the help.
So are you currently unemployed now?
Yes, from I get gunshot. I remember the bullet hit out the ball, come to the left ear, so it's just 1 ear I'm hearing out of and I'm blind. So it just kind of rough. Sometimes I have to just cry and cry to God, you know. Sometimes even when they ask me for money and we just can't assist them sometimes. They have to go without. So we just, if we just get a little more assistance, then feel like, you know, we just beg God and thank God. It kind of rough as a blind, you know, rough. Hard, me I tell you, it's hard.
So it's just you and them live here?
Yes, and
how difficult is it to live here under circumstances?
Very, very difficult. Because just shut it, close your eyes well, and just try to just walk with a cane. And knowing that sometimes now the foot now again, you know, you go doctor said they not really can't really help your foot. Because as me tell you, say one lump under there. And it just hard. Just hard. You know.
So how do you manage trying to get food and sending them to school and
That's
stuff?
what I'm telling you. I go downtown and like we sell juice, and sometimes the bag juice say for instance if we sell like say 3 bags, then when you look good you see 2 bags soft up and way, and you don't have to just carry them, you know. So there are days when sometimes nothing no go on, so they have to go to school without.
So do you have electricity and water here?
Water is there.
But no light?
Me have to go in to get the regular light, them kind of run. But it's rough. You know, it just rough. I can't even explain.
So your Christmas wishes is to get what are some of the things that you'd want?
Like windows, doors, cement, you know, and plies, and you know, if nobody had enough fridge, because cement see that now really work.
You have stove and clothes and stuff?
Clothes, no, people, so you know, clothes and any food stuff and just any amount, everything.
The basic necessities.
Yeah. Thank you guys for coming, and sometimes and the time I just cry because sometimes when I look, you know, I can't be the mother like how me should have, they want me to be. You know? Just so too big now. Leave 2. As I said, it's 4 of them.
So the big 2 children, they're not helping?
No. My mother died now and my father, so
If you're new to the channel and just a pass through, we'll click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon. And of course, put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you. Now, until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours is, of course, if you want to live, love, and prosper, if you want to stay tuned.